pretty early here. Not bad for the first fish. Only been here about 10 minutes, so that's usually a good start. Getting ready to get out here and get a water temp reading for you guys, and hopefully we'll get on some more fish. It's not too windy out here, so maybe we'll be able to fish a lot of these spots that I couldn't the other day. I didn't get much video the other day, so hopefully we'll fare a little bit better. What's going on, guys? Wayne here from the Bass College, down here at the Dykes in Delaware City. Out here in the kayak, hoping to get on a couple fish. It's a pretty nice day out today. It's not too windy. Just took a water temp reading. I think it was 68 or something like that. And it's pretty bright out, no cloud cover. But we're gonna see if we can't get on some fish and get right back with you guys. What's going on, guys? Number 2, about the same size as the last one. Right now, just throwing a Huddleston weedless shad. Just throwing it up into these reeds and fishing it. Not too fast, not too slow, just steady retrieve. And he came up and nailed it and took off with it. But hopefully we're gonna get out here and get some bigger ones. Might throw a 6-inch weedless Hud in a couple areas, see if we can't try to find some bigger fish. But so far so good. We'll try to get back. All of them right around the same size. That one was on just a weightless soft plastic creature bait. And that's just Texas rig without a weight. I just keep the hook up tight. And he just hit it, cast it out there, and maybe lifted it and dropped it 2 or 3 times, and he picked it up and started rolling with it. But number 3, hopefully we'll get a couple more numbers. The bite hasn't been quite as good as I'd want it to be, but we're getting ready to get into some better spots. And hopefully we'll get on some more numbers and bigger fish. Number 4 here. A little bit better size. Getting into some of the better spots I like to fish. So hopefully we can get on a couple more fish here. Get some better numbers and maybe some better quality fish. That one was just the same thing, just that weightless creature bait. So hopefully we'll be back with it. Number 5 here. He's quite the monster. Number 6, definitely not the size we're looking for. We'll keep at it, see if we can't get on him. I believe this is, it's either 6 or 7, I lost count. But same thing. It's weedless Huddleston shad. He hit that one kind of out in the open. He hit it and let it go, and then came back and got it again. But still not finding the numbers I'd hoped for. It is really late in the day. We didn't get out here till almost 1 o'clock. So got a couple more areas to fish, and hopefully we can get on some bigger ones. My GoPro died, but there's number 9. At least you guys can see it. Getting ready to head out of here. I'm almost at the ramp. Just decided to throw a couple more in one area. Hooked up on one more. So hopefully we don't catch a giant. And it's not on video because that would be pretty bad. But if we catch another one, I'll be back to tell you guys I caught another one. If not, then today wasn't a bad day. 9 fish. I think it's 9. So just counts. What a big is 375. It's not too bad. Most of them came on the Huddleston weedless swim bait. Try to talk about it so you guys can hear. So all in all, it wasn't a bad day. We would have liked to see more fish. I mean, I really can't complain. So if you guys have any questions about fishing this pond, you guys guys can come on down to the Bass College and talk to me. A lot of my videos are posted up there by Steve. So, you know, any questions about what to throw down here, where to fish, you know, you can come down to the site, give you guys some information, maybe get you guys on some good fish down here. So, hopefully I'll see you guys around, and maybe I'll be back with another one.